Hey everyone, welcome to PE with Mr. Sasaki, and this week we're going to have PE in a rainforest. Good thing I brought my umbrella. So it's raining outside because we're in this beautiful rainforest, but that's okay. Rainforests are wet, we know that, but we could still do PE, and it's going to be raining on us, but that's okay. You guys ready to have some fun? Alright, we are in the rainforest and we're going to go on a warm-up jog. Come on, follow me. Alright, the important thing when we do a jog is to pump our arms. Okay, arms go just like this. The L goes back and forth. Okay, so make sure you keep pumping your arms as we jog. We're going to go on a pretty long warm-up jog. Okay, we've done some jogs in the past. This one's going to be a little bit longer, okay? So come on, follow me. Follow me. We're going to be doing this warm-up jog together in a rainforest. Right? There's many rainforests, all right? And we get to visit this one. So come on and follow me. And this is a tropical rainforest. There's also rainforest on the ocean coast. So come on and follow me and let's see what this one looks like. Keep jogging, everyone. Keep jogging. Come on, come on. Let's go. We're only about halfway done. Alright, halfway done. Come on. There's a longer jog, and it is going to be good for us. The more we work out, the better in shape we become. So follow me. Come on, let's go. Let's get in shape. The rainforests have a lot of plants in them. A lot of plants, but it really makes it pretty. See my arms? They're looking good. Hopefully your arms look like this. Keep pumping. Keep pumping those arms and moving those legs. Gotta get our heart rate up. This is a warm up. Come on, come on. Looking good, everyone. Keep going. Keep going. Jogging in the rainforest. Come on, follow me. Keep going. Alright, we're almost done. Come on. Come on. Keep jogging. That was great. Alright, everyone. That was a great warm-up jog. But now we're going to do a warm-up next to this beautiful waterfall. Okay? Put your arms out. Let's do arm circles going forward. Okay? Arm circles going forward. We're going to do this for a few minutes. So make sure you keep moving your arms. Just small circles for now. Small circles for now next to this beautiful waterfall in the rainforest. Alright, keep turning. Alright, let's do big arms now. Big arms. Big arms. Alright, big circles going forward. Keep going. Your arms might be burning, but that's okay. Shake them out. Alright, let's rest. Shake them out. Shake them out. Rest for a second. But now we're going to do arm circles back. Do arm circles backwards now. Okay, small arm circles backwards. Palms up. Palms up, everyone. Arms going back. Next to this beautiful waterfall. Alright, let's do some big arm circles now. See how big you can make your arm circles going backwards. Palms up, everyone. We're almost done. Keep going. Alright. Shake it out. Shake it out nice and good. Alright. Alright everyone, it's ab time. Alright, get your hands up. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now rest next to this beautiful waterfall. Isn't it great? Now, we've done it once. We need to do it 2 more times, okay? Alright, let's do this. Hands up, everyone. High. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, rest again. It's a beautiful place here. One more time. Alright, you ready? Hands up. Get them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, good job everyone. Okay everyone, locomotor time. I'm going to teach you to leap over this little river, okay? You're going to start jogging. You're going to take off on one foot and land on the other. Alright, the monkeys are going to do it with us. Alright, we're going to go back. Running and take off on one foot, land on the other. Okay? Jog with me, take off and land on the opposite foot. Okay? Got to keep moving, jog, leap, and land. Okay? Keep jogging, leap, and land. Keep jogging. You're going to take off on one foot and land on the other. Okay? That's the key to leaping, is to take off on one foot and land on the other. And then you're going to reach forward with your arms. Reach. Okay, as we leap. Jogging, and take off on one foot, land on the other. Okay, this is different from jumping because we're not landing on both feet. We're landing on one foot, okay? So it's good practice, it's good exercise, so we might as well do it. Jog, take off on one foot, land on the other. Alright, the monkeys are really good at it, so let's leap with them. Jogging, and take off on one foot, land on the other. Alright, let's do it again. This is great exercise for our legs, okay? It's all about training our brain as well. Keep your arms moving, take off on one foot, land on the other. Alright, it's our new locomotor pattern. Take off on one foot, land on the other, and that is a leap. Leaping is taking off on one foot and landing on the other foot. We have 2 feet, so we're going to use both of them, one at a time. Okay, good job. Keep going. One at a time. Take off on one foot, land on the other foot. Alright? Alright, good job, everyone. Okay, just really quick, I'm going to remind you how to make our floating ball out of a grocery bag, just like this, the one with handles, the cheap ones. Alright, so just like we're tying our shoe, cross it, go under, okay, so you have those bunny ears, go up and down, put some air in it, and then tighten it. Just like that, and then I go around one more time. We have our ball for our lesson. Floats out of a plastic grocery bag. Alright everyone, it's hanger time. Go get your hangers. Alright, and get your plastic grocery bag ball that we made earlier. Okay, we take our hanger, and if we're going to practice striking again, we're going to strike our plastic ball up in the air with our hangers. Alright, this is great eye-hand coordination. The plastic grocery bag ball should just float for you. Nice and easy. We are going to continue our striking while working out in the rainforest and listening to the jungle noises and the rain. Alright? Keep working out, everyone, and keep striking your ball upwards. Was a lot of fun striking in a rainforest. Alright, but put it all down now. Come on back and sit down, and let's get ready for question time. Are you smarter than a monkey? Okay, first question. What was our new locomotor pattern for this week? The new locomotor pattern that we learned this week was leap. Okay, next question. We did another locomotor pattern in this week's lesson. What was it? Okay, the other locomotor pattern that we did in this week's lesson was run. We ran in the rainforest. Okay, what a great lesson in the rainforest this week. Thank you for working out with me. It was a lot of fun to see all the pretty scenes of the rainforest and to work out in the rain next to waterfalls. A lot of fun. Now, what I need you to do is to work out on your own at least one other time this week. So watch this video again and try this workout one more time, and we will then get together and work out next time on PE with Mr. Sasaki. Nice job, everyone.